What up, guys? It's another check-in. You know what the dealio is. So this is the laundry room that we have our laundry room. So what we have done is, I don't know if you guys checked out the other videos, but you could see there was our electric stuff was on the outside, the piping. So we got our contractor to make this thing look a little bit better. You know, got the drywall, moved the switches over here. Got a nice little outlet over here. This is what it looked like below. All the stuff. Gonna put a fan in here. There's no AC that comes in here. So planning to put a little pantry in the corner, a little table here, so we can you know, fold the little things and thongs and stuff like that. Got to do that wall back there, and you know, another project, another day, another project. Quick little update. Get the room drywalled, mudded, fan installed. There's no really AC vent in here, so it's a little warm in here. Contractor should be finished today. Got a lot of stuff back there, so we weren't able to cover that up. Yeah. So almost done. Ready for pantry up here in the corner table, or a table here. See how it goes. What up, guys? Checking in. Friday, September 25th, I believe. Finally got everything out of this corner. Put a quick little snippet of what it looked like before. Definitely took a few days, a lot of hard work. Now it's cleanup time. Busy day here at the Villa residence. Got the tree trimmers out. Oh, you can't really see. Tree trimmers out. I got my contractor over here working. Yeah. Big milestone here. Clean it up. And then hopefully we get a pricing and see how much to drywall and insulate this place, and we'll be good to go. Good morning. Good morning, America. Or I should say YouTube. And all the viewers out there from across the countries, across the world, across the nations. You know what it is. Another check-in, another sunny day here in the Sunshine State. Nice little check-in. Took out this piece of the fence already. As you can see, the line there. This fence is out. All my fencing stuff is back there. What I plan to do is put a little spot back here for the dog so I can do a little business back there. Trash has been picked up. Been working on a couple things, taking out these poles. There's a couple of metal pipes sticking out, so I cut those down. As alluded to earlier, I have my mango tree trimmed. I had all this back here, cut down all the trees that were not really trees, just weed growing. My banyan tree, as I found out, very trimmed up. That should go back a little bit nice, nice and full. All the mulch in the back. As you can see, the yard looks a tad bit bigger. You know, this area was filled with overgrown trees. As you can see, that area right there. I still have to stump grind those. I still need to cut those hedges. Not in a super rush right now, but yeah. Let's see here. My garage, I think it's locked right now, but my garage is cleaned up, ready. I did get a quote to do everything inside. It's a little over $5,000. Everything's kind of organized in there. I just got some grass seed yesterday to see how that works out here, just to kind of get the little spots. I was thinking of putting grass, but go a little bit of more affordable route. That's the update outside. Let's go back inside to check out the laundry room. It's finished. So the update here is I got a couple of these little storage spots. I have here the
You taking a vlog?
pantry right now. Yes, this is a vlog video. So yeah, I got 2 of these. I think I paid $40 for them from both, or 20. No, 40 off of Facebook
I thought you
Marketplace.
spent $80 on both.
No, 20 each, 40. Washer and dryer. Everything else is pretty much finished. So yeah, we got this little spot situated.
Thank you, taking this bite.
Temporary table until I get my what I plan to get here is an official pantry built, and then some cabinets over here over the refrigerator, and then our little toaster oven. But that's the update on this. As you can see, I did install my ring alarm. Got some sensors, motion sensors, stuff like that. I do plan on getting some cameras soon. Just got to get those, install them, and that'll be on the next video. Good afternoon, YouTube. We're here with another regular check-in. Next little project, medium project, small project, whatever you want to call it. So here we see I kind of scratched the little mulch. It's black mulch off. I guess they put right here on the edge mulch for whatever reason. I guess they have it, but I mean, I guess I see why it's next to the house, but you know, I just want regular grass here, and I was thinking of getting a pallet of grass, you know, putting it in the spots, but it was a little bit more expensive. So what I did, bought $12 worth of soil and some grass seed. Came out to about 30 bucks, about 20, 30 bucks. Gonna put a little bit of soil here. Got my little helper here, preteen. Also got gonna paint the door today and my garage door over there. Coming up next, but first I wanted to kind of get this out the way. I've been wanting to do it for a couple weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna put some soil there to kind of get some of that good soil to put the seed down, water, you know, take care of it. Hopefully we'll see maybe in I don't know how fast grass grows, but you know, we're in South Florida. We'll see how maybe in the next month. Check out, keep watching the videos. Appreciate you guys watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. A lot of you viewers, I got a lot of viewers, a lot of percentage that aren't subscribed. Please hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing. See my dog JJ over here cutting the grass in the back, getting ready for the big game tomorrow. Packers versus Bucks. Catch y'all later. So half a yard of dirt, topsoil, whatever you want to call it. $12 at the local nursery. Got my helper here, child labor free. Earn those target runs. And yeah, so we're just gonna
money after this, right?
You already got paid already. Remember ice cream earlier? Yep.
You're giving me money.
So we moved to the backyard, and I may have alluded to earlier about the fence that I took out here. Left a little bit of hole, a little bit of dirtless hole, lower hole, whatever you want to call it. So you can see the line right there. I'm gonna put some topsoil on there just to kind of even it out. I wanted to get this stump out, but I think it's gonna take more than just a shovel. Got a couple bigger posts over there. This edge here, for some reason they just thought mulch was just gonna pretty up the edge. So I took out the edge, the mulch, and I'm gonna put some soil here on the edge. I might end up just extending this with concrete later in the years, but for now that's what I'm gonna do. Put some grass seeds and see if it grows. This little line right here, kind of try to even that out with topsoil, and then I'll be done with this little grass experiment per se. Okay, we got the helpers out here, the Villa girls, doing some yard work, kind of. Oh snap, mama came here, big mama. Last helper of the day, spreading the grass seed. Did the front, back, and I'll lightly rake it now. Finishing up this little project, getting on the painting soon before we lose daylight. Next project, still Saturdays. Just finished up the soil work, topsoil. Helper still out here, surprised. It's a little sunny. So I got a little tarp out here. The girl's helping me paint. I'm gonna paint this a different color and the door another color. I'm just putting the primer base because this is a brown. Don't like the ugly brown. The fence obviously is gonna be repaired, not repaired, but replaced. That one's the first one I'm gonna work on. Then I got the one on the right side, but little by little. Little tired, but you know, ain't nothing else to do on a Saturday. I know these girls are gonna be sleeping real good tonight because they've been working all day.
Daddy, we're making you a line.
Okay, remember, make it flat. I don't want too much globby paint. Woo. So it's about 6 o'clock. Pizza just got here. Shout out to Pizza Hut. Papa John's, y'all need to sponsor your boy, aka Doughboy. Got the primer on here. Didn't have to be perfect. Just wanted to get a primer on. It was like a dark brown. Going for, still gonna be dark, but you know, wanted to start a good base. Just finished the front. What the hell did I step on? The front door. So I'm not gonna do the garage door today, but I'm gonna try to do this one tonight. I got a light right here, so I mean, no matter how dark it is, I'm gonna paint it. The main reason because I want to take this tape off of the handles. I mean, I could have just took off the thing, but those little locks are a pain in the ass, and I think I got it right the first time, so we'll leave it at that. But yeah, the paint, we had primer already here from the previous owners or the guy whoever did this, and yeah, we're gonna do the color reveal soon.
Yes.
Daddy,
Next project.
Daddy.
Some panels up here, some racks, and we'll see how it goes. So in typical fashion, I mismeasured, missing a couple pieces at the bottom. Hey, get out of there. So we're about 80% done. About 75. We'll do an update later. Last step, fill in the finishing nails holes with some caulking. We got a dog for sale right there. Let me know. Best offer. Then we're gonna throw some paint up on here. Update video. Put on the hooks last night. What's up, girl? Put on the hooks last night. And I mean, even without the hooks, I'm not really happy with the way it came out. The idea was to have it white up here, and then the wood would have been a little bit darker, and then the whitewash would have had that darker contrast. But right now it looks just all white. So the options were to either do it all white, kind of like a shiplap look. But I'm going to try to do it the way we wanted to, so I'm going to have to. I put a light coat, or maybe lay a light coat of white on here. So what I'm going to do is sand it and then stain it and then try to whitewash it again. See if we like it like that. At the end of the day, if it doesn't come out, I might just do it all white, but we'll see. Hopefully today I get the materials and we'll start working on it. Quick little update. For the most part, sanding down the white. About to head to Lowe's right now. You can still see a little bit of white, but most of the wood's showing. Gonna head to Lowe's, pick me out a stain, get my gray that goes in the background and touch up this little area. The whole gray needs to be redone because it's a flat. I want like a semi-gloss, I think, just so it's right here. It gets real easily marked. So yeah, that's the next step in this little wall. So hopefully it comes out like we like it, or like I like it. Well, alrighty then. Yeah, this is the stain that I got from Lowe's. It's called Coffee. It's a gel stain, so it won't be like all watery. Like if you ever stain anything, you know, the stain can get a little watery. Yeah. So this is hopefully the last step before I try to whitewash again. And Then we'll see what the dealio is. Welcome to my humble abode, and this is my Mowgli of a child, John.
I want Chick-fil-A!
Oh, we all want Chick-fil-A. Well, we done the whitewashed paneling, hooks, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure a proper name for this thing, but thank you to Pinterest for helping me out with the inspo. Belosa for helping me out with the build. Natasha for getting the motherfucking nerves. Yeah, this was a process. It took about a week. As you can see, the process, the wood was really light. Ended up staining it, then painting it, then sanding it. Got the hooks, paint, got the board up here. It's like a little ledge. I got this for the kids. Oh, safety first. I painted this wall right here, gray. The color is agreeable gray, just to kind of finish it off. I'm very happy with it. First time whitewash, but yeah. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And the rest of the video, I know I got some old footage of some other projects I've been working on, but this one took about a week, just because we were kind of figuring out what color or, you know, whatever texture we wanted as the boards, but I can say that I'm happy with it.